Yeah, this is Thursday, about 20 hours after the tornado hit. This is why the power's off. No telling when they're going to get this cleared. They're not even working on it. So we lost at least 2, 3, could be 4 power poles. These trees that fell across, one there in the distance is about 30 inch on the butt. It's a big one. This is a major highway. We're just outside the city limits, I believe.
Get your clippers out. Just
Really? Yeah, fell in the pickup said, or suggested I get my clippers out and start trimming branches. Anyway, big old mess. All part of it. So, that's all. Things at the house are fine. Got the generator, keeping the refrigerator and freezer cold. Rigged up another cord so I got a light instead of the Coleman lantern. So, just boring. Read a book. That's all. I'll get this posted. This is May 9th, by the way. Thank you.